Hi, welcome back to another vlog. So I've got a lot done. I've been working on a lot, I should say, not a lot done. I've been working on a lot of different things. I'm mainly working on the Japanese mythology collection, so I've almost finished another doll. So that was the one that was I was going for like a verdigris type look to it, and then I just didn't like the way it turned out, so I pulled it all apart and I'm doing something completely different. So I've almost finished. I'm doing like the stone version. I've done one before that was a couple of years ago and had like moss and stuff all over it, so I'm going to do that. So I did some crackle pattern on top. I'll show you. I don't know how well you can see that, but I've done some crackle pattern and I've sewn everything up. It's a small doll. And then I'm just going to apply some fur to the feet and just clean up the edges and stuff a little bit. So that's almost done, and then I'm going to add some moss to it. So that one's almost done. So there'll be two of these ones, and Anari foxes, there'll be two of them in the collection. So I've already got one done. I've got the Nekomata done as well. So I've got 3 dolls done, and I'm doing a little bit of work on Phoenix one as well. So I've put it roughly together. Still a lot of work to do on this one, just to see how everything goes, because I'm not entirely 100% happy just yet. So we've got this one, just looks like a little chicken at the moment. Resin head. I will probably change the paint once I've put all the doll together, because I want to colour match it a bit better, but I just did like a basic foundation like that. I couldn't find, I originally wanted to do green, like a green body with red feathers, because that's what you see on the wood blocks, but I can't find any green sequin fabric that I'm happy with. So I found some really nice red ones, so I'll just reverse the colours, and you know, it's not what I wanted to do, but it'll do. I'm sure it'll look great. I also sculpted the legs. So the legs are sculpted from cosplay, so they're a little bit more, they're not so fragile. I don't know if they'll end up being that long. So they're a little bit bendable down here too, which is good, so you can sort of move the feet a little bit so it can pose a bit better. I'm going to leave the eyes white because I like the way that looks. But yeah, like I'll probably darken this red a little bit. And then yeah, I'll have to do the wings, which will be cool. Get there eventually. Just have to play around with the armature a little bit and you know, see what I'm happy with and where everything's sitting. So it does stand, so that's good. It'll be a bit more stable once I've put like the whole body together and have felted the body. So yeah, it'll be a little bit better once that's done, because it's always hard balancing things on 2 legs. Sometimes you got to weight the back of it, and you can do that with like a small like bean bag with some glass beads or something in it, just something with a little bit of weight to it. Yeah, always helps, but sometimes you can pose it a little better when you've put it all together as well. So that will be the next one that I'll be finishing. I'm going to be doing felt feathers as well, so I think that's going to take me a little bit of time to finish that. So once everything else is done, then I'm going to concentrate on this one, and I also want to start working on a new doll, a new animal doll. Haven't quite decided. I'm kind of tossing up between a cheetah, like a king cheetah, and a leopard seal. I might do another poll on my Patreon. I'm not sure just yet, or maybe I'll just do what I want to do. But we'll see. With the leopard seal, I wanted to do a movable jaw for that one, because the jaw was like a really significant part of their character, so it just takes a lot of work to do that. And I've lost my translucent Sculpey. I don't know what I've done with it. which I use that a lot for the teeth, so I have no idea where it is. I don't know where it is. I don't know how I could lose that, but I reckon my cats have stolen it, so I don't know where it's gone. I think they've stolen it and hid it under something, so that's awesome. I'll have to source some more. Pretty sure I got a new slab in there. I just have to find it and see. Hopefully I can find the other one, but I'm not liking the chances of that. Anyway, yes, enough rambling. I will attempt to finish this Inari fox, and I wanted to make the little sashes as well, so yeah, I'll have to do that on the sewing machine when I get the chance. And yeah, so I've got to make 2 of them, if I remember how to make them. I haven't sewn something for a long time. I'm sure I remember. No big deal. I just watched one of my old videos where I did it. Anyway, I'll leave it there, and I will catch up with you at the end of the vlog. Hey, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I've done quite a bit. I've pretty much got the Japanese collection finished. I've been working on the last piece. It's not quite finished yet, but it's pretty much coming up to being finished. I just have to do a couple more things like finishing touches and stuff, and that is the mini Oni mask. I decided to go with red, so I painted it red. I was indecisive about what I want the nose to be, and I originally did the eyebrows in red, but I thought it needed like just a little bit of black, so I still need to do just like a tiny bit of work on the hair. I need to paint the back of it because it's still white at the moment, so I'm going to paint the back of it black just to finish it off, and then I'll just like sit on it for a few hours and see if I wanted to add anything else, but I think that's pretty much done. So it's meant to be displayed like on a wall, so I'll probably put a hook in there like that or something, and you can display it on the wall sort of like that. So that will be another part of my Japanese collection. I'll do a whole separate video on the whole collection, and I'll show you like what is available, and because there's quite a few things, and yes, I'm hoping to put that up. Maybe I still need to take some photos, so I'll probably take some photos on the weekend, and yeah, hopefully have it up next week maybe. I don't know, we'll see. So I'll do a couple of separate videos for everything, and yeah, I'll do separate videos for like making everything as well. And yeah, so there's a lot coming up. So that's pretty much it. I am going to start working on my next art doll. So next animal art doll, I decided to go with a giant ant eater because I think it's cool. So I'm trying to make it a smaller doll. I don't know how that's going to turn out, but I'm trying to make it a smaller doll. So I've got the armature ready for it. I haven't sculpted anything quite like a giant ant eater before, but I've got that done, and I've got tiny teeny little eyes done. So I painted them up. You're not going to be able to see it, but I painted them up to small brown eyes. And yeah, so I've got a bit going. Hopefully we can get this done in the next couple of weeks. I don't think it'll take too long because it's a smaller doll, so I'm trying to make it small. And I'll do the claws, I don't have it here, I'll do the claws out of like black Sculpey, and I'll pre-bag them and then add them to the doll. And I've just wrapped a doll, so got to send that out today, the Halloween raccoon, so I'm going to send that out to the US today. And yeah, so check out my shop if you want anything. I did just have a sale on for 20% off everything, but so there's still a few things left there. And yeah, it's pretty much it for this video. I think I'll probably leave it there because I don't really have much to talk about. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one, and yeah, stay tuned for the whole Japanese collection. My patrons will have early access to everything, so if you want early access to things like my Oni mask and all my Inari foxes that I'm putting up, I've got one Phoenix doll, I've got 2 Inari foxes, I've got 2 Kitsunes, and yes, I've also got a Nekomata as well, so they're all going to be in my shop come hopefully next week, so we'll see. Anyway, I'll leave it there and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.